in entrepreneurship, nothing is more important than perseverance. And I do mean nothing, like literally nothing. You say, what about talent? Oh, come on. We've got so many talented people out in the streets, but, they're just finding it very difficult to run this life. Okay, how about genius? Surely genius can unpack it. How many of them? I mean, come on. And then somebody says, how about education? Get educated and be successful to live this life. How many educated derelicts are out there mourning every day, even on social media, that they just can't navigate through this life without, a means, But in entrepreneurship, as I said, perseverance is the most important thing. Entrepreneurs who persevere, however, are the ones who are more likely to score true success as time goes by. Why? Because entrepreneurs who persevere, it simply means that they spend a lot of time solving problems that really hit the human race so hard. And so what happens during the process of that, the longer it takes, they learn as best as they possibly can, and they are more positioned to bring solutions. And I bet you 9 out of 10 times they are most likely to be rewarded for the time they have invested in waiting. Because in waiting, they are fighting hard to say, how do we solve the problems that are killing the human race? Why do they get rewarded? Because entrepreneurs who know how to persevere, not every entrepreneur knows how to persevere. Entrepreneurs who know how to persevere are experts in their fields. Because why? They've spent so much time learning. They are there in the trenches every day with the customers. They are learning to bootstrap their businesses every day. They are learning marketing, doing marketing and selling their businesses, all at the same time under that pressure. That is number one. Number two, they are perfectly positioned to capitalize on changing market trends. Because why? They know more about the customer's needs. They do. They know more about the customer's needs. And most importantly, they are more resilient to daily failures, which means that they are more likely to come back tomorrow with better products and better services. And that's what it's all about. Sometimes we look at the, people tell the story of the man or the woman who reached the pinnacle of his career in entrepreneurship, and everybody's like, oh, I want to be that person, but we forget the story that is in the middle. I had the privilege yesterday of attending a workshop at TCB here in Midrand, and